This is part of our Growth Hacks for SMB series, and today, how to stop losing leads. I'll show you the exact AI powered workflow that's helping small businesses boost conversions by up to 300%. This started with a simple observation. On one side, manual follow ups, on the other side, AI triggered sequences. We tracked what happened when businesses switched, and honestly, the difference was massive. So, let me show you exactly what changed. Here's the real problem. You're running ads, getting leads, but then follow ups are slow, sales reps cherry pick leads, and most of your pipeline just go cold. And that's where most revenue is lost. Here is the exact workflow that fixes this. A lead comes in, instantly scored by AI. Now, two things happens. If the lead score is high, it automatically routed to a rep with a built-in dialer. If the score is lower, it goes into an automated nurture sequence, email plus WhatsApp. And both paths lead to one goal, more meetings booked. Now, instead of calling leads randomly, AI analyzes things like engagement, company data, website activity, and instantly tells you which leads are actually ready to close. In fact, it can identify the top 3% leads that are most likely to convert right now. And this is where execution kicks in. Day 1, AI sends a personalized email. Day 2, automated WhatsApp or SMS follow up. Day 3, task alert for rep to call. All of this happens automatically. No external tools, no integrations, just one system doing the work. And this brings us to the real insight. The biggest problem isn't lack of tools, it's lack of execution. The old way, spreadsheets, manual follow ups, missed leads, high effort, low conversion. The new way, automated workflows, AI insights, instant action, low effort, high conversion. This is the ultimate SMB growth engine where intelligence, action, and management all come together in one system. And this isn't just theory. Teams have used this to reduce CRM costs by 60%, identify over $180,000 in missed deals in just one quarter. And for many, it replaces the need for a full time operations hire. So, depending on how you want to use it, you have two options. First, software only. At $99 per user per month, you get the full AI CRM and automation built in. Second, fully managed, where our team runs everything for you, from follow ups to pipeline management, with same day execution. Plus, it's built for scale and security, SOC 2 certified, AES 256 encryption, and a 98% retention rate. So, if your funnel is leaking leads, you have two options. Start a 14-day free trial and set this up yourself, or get free growth audit and see a custom 90-day plan instantly. Link is in the description. Thank you.